Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I want you to come on an adventure with me and Heather as we hike Emery Creek Trail. The trail itself is beautiful. It runs beside the creek the whole time, and you're treated to these gorgeous views of the water that's flowing quickly through the rocks. Absolutely stunning. Lots of little cascading waterfalls and places to relax. This little waterfall here was so cool, I wanted to stop and set up my tripod and use my camera to get some awesome long exposure shots. There were butterflies everywhere on the trail while we were there, floating around, landing on you. It was just full of butterflies, and it was absolutely wonderful. Look at all these little tadpoles. More stunning views as we start our first creek crossing. The water here was actually really deep in some spots. It went up well past my waist. But we made it across all right, hopping over these huge rocks. We got through the water, and we continued on our way. We saw lots of animals on our trip, like this little snake, and the snail, and then randomly in the middle of the woods, there was a car. Apparently there used to be an old logging road on this trail 70 years ago, but it was really odd to see a car back there where it looked like no cars could get to. We found some more butterflies, and we kept hiking back and forth across the creek, up and down and around, trying to get to the Emery Creek Waterfalls. We hiked and hiked, and eventually we arrived. It was absolutely beautiful, and a wonderful spot to relax in the cool mountain water. Just look at this beautiful cascading waterfall. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed seeing our adventure as much as we enjoyed going on it. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I hope to see you out there. Bye.